Greetings, everyone. Today, we are excited to present the biography of the esteemed model Claudia Rivier. Claudia is a prominent content creator and social media influencer. While the exact beginning of her career remains unspecified, she began sharing captivating photos in 2019. Hailing from Zagreb, Croatia, Claudia initially gained recognition by posting videos on O, where she has amassed over 122,000 likes. As an influencer, Claudia boasts an impressive following of 1.1 million on her Instagram account. She joined Instagram in October 2017 and made her debut post featuring her dog on January 5, 2018. Since then, she has shared more than 210 posts. Claudia follows 3 accounts, and her follower count has exceeded 1.1 million. Thank you for watching. To see more content like this, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to bringing you more videos in the future. Goodbye for now.
Oh, yeah, yes. 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 Oh, no, yes.